Hello friends. Today we will talk about the part of grammar that is voice. You all are familiar with this part. As you all know, voice has two types. The first one is active, as you can see. Second one is passive. So let us move on. Voice. Already told you there are two types, active and this is passive. Let us know what is active and what is passive. Look friends, what is active voice that we are going to see over here. Now active voice, in active voice, actually voice in Marathi called prayog, how the language is used, how the language is focused on. In active voice, subject is the performer of the action and subject is significant. जेव्हा subject म्हणजे doer of the action is important, that time active voice is used. You can see in the example, Ramesh loves this music. Now, here in this sentence, Ramesh is important, doer is important, that is why active voice is used. Let us focus on the next one, that is uh, passive voice. Now see over here, the action or the receiver is important, not the performer. Action is important, receiver is important, not the performer. Now here see, film has been released today. Now in this sentence it is said that film has been released today. What is the object? Object is the film. What is the important task? Important task is film, not the one who has released. आता हा जो सेंटेन्स आहे, ह्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये आपण बघू शकतो की कोणी फिल्म रिलीज केली ते इम्पॉर्टंट नाहीये, काय रिलीज झालं ते इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. फिल्म रिलीज झाली. आपण जेव्हा एखादी मूवी बघायला जातो तेव्हा मूवी रिलीज झाली का असं जनरली यूज करतो. याने त्याने डायरेक्टरने प्रोड्युसरने मूवी रिलीज केली का आज असं विचारत नाही. Whenever action is important, receiver is important, that time passive voice is used. Hope you are getting me. Let us talk about voice, active voice more. When active voice is used, when the performer is important. You can see the first one, when the performer is important. Performer, the one who performs is important. Doer we can call is important. Subject performs the action. Yes, it is right. Subject means doer performs the action. म्हणजे कर्ता जो आहे तो ऍक्शन परफॉर्म करत असतो. ओके. नाउ सब्जेक्ट and verb relationship is straightforward. Means direct we use subject and thereafter verb we use, and subject and verbs are associated, connected together. And that is why we can call subject and verb relationship is straightforward. Directly it is used. Subject is connected to verb over here. And the last one is mostly active voice construction is used. Yes, obviously, as we see, as we read so many books, active voices are used so many times as compared to passive voice, because the subject is important in so many what you call the sentence construction. Let us focus on the next one. Now we will come to know about passive voice. When passive voice is used, see, when the action is important, जब action important होती है, ना कि performer, that time passive voice is used. When we want to draw attention to the receiver, when we want to draw the attention to the receiver, not the performer. Performer पे attention नहीं लेना है, receiver पे performer. Suppose say for example, uh, Mahesh uh, is awarded. Mahesh is awarded Bharat Ratna. Now here receiver, who is the receiver? Mahesh is receiver. Mahesh is awarded Bharat Ratna by. Now किसके हाथों से उसको पुरस्कार दिया गया है? It is not important, my friends. Who has been awarded? Mahesh has been awarded. So receiver is the important over here, and that is why passive voice is used. When the doer is not relevant to the context or unknown. Now in this sentence, look, when the doer is not relevant, now this and this both the sentences are actually matching together, and the when the receiver is doer is unknown, as I already told you. Say for example, uh, the natural calamity has been occurred. Who is the doer? We don't know. So suppose say for example, my house is robbed. My house is robbed. My some of the things are stolen. Who is the what you call the doer? No idea. At that time, such kind of sentences, such kind of sentence constructions can be used. When we wish to make a statement impersonal, look, focus on the word impersonal, not the personal. When we wish to make the sentence uh, impersonal, without any subject, without any what you call given importance to the subject, when talking about natural calamities, when we talk about natural calamity, that time we do not say that um suppose say for example there is a landscape, सॉरी there is a landslide म्हणजे भूस्खलन, म्हणजे अख्खाच्या अख्खा पहाड हा खाली पडलेला आहे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड भूस्खलन. तर असं आपण म्हणत नाही की हे देवाने केलंय म्हणून. इन इन इंग्लिश ऍक्च्युली, इन इंग्लिश वी यूज लाईक दिस, landslide has been occurred, okay, or we cannot use like this, god has occurred the landslide, no, we cannot. So I hope you are getting it. Let us see the difference again in between both the voices. The first one is active when the doer is important, जेव्हा करता हा important आहे, जेव्हा performer हा important आहे, that time ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस इज युज्ड. पण जेव्हा ऍक्शन इम्पॉर्टंट आहे मित्रांनो, जेव्हा परफॉर्मर नाही तर ऍक्शन इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, रिसिव्हर इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, त्यावेळेस आपण पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसचा वापर करत असतो. व्हॉइसला मराठीमध्ये प्रयोग असं सुद्धा म्हणतात. ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसला कर्तरी प्रयोग आणि पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसला कर्मणी प्रयोग. कर्तरी, I hope you are getting me. Kartari means karta is important, doer is important. Karmani, when the action is important, object is important, karma is important. Let us see, let us focus on another what you call the slide. See the different part of the sentences. Now we will focus on, let us go one by one. Now in the first sentence, this see this, I like mango. Now the sentence is I like mango. Now I is subject, I is the doer, like is the verb, and mango is object. Okay. Now in the next slide we will actually convert it into another one. Let us focus on another sentence. Now in this sentence one is added, that is helping verb. In this sentence there is no use of helping verb, only s plus v plus object is there, that actually it is v1. And in this sentence there is one addition, that is this is, it is helping verb. Now there is s, there is s, there is v, there is v, there is o, there is o, that is object. But here hv, that is helping verb, is added. Now this is actually continuous tense. He is reading a book. So this is another one part. Now see, there is also helping verb is added, but in addition it is not to be, it is to have. To be are is am or was were, and this is have has had. This, so helping verb is changed here, as well as your verb pattern is also changed. It is v1 we can call, it is v4, or sometimes it is called v plus ing, and it is v3, my friends. Hope you are getting me. And let us focus on the next one. Here you can see uh, Radha will attend a lecture. Now in this sentence you can see over here Radha will attend. Now helping verb is again changed. V1 is there, there is v1, there is v4, there is v3, and there is again v1. See this, Radha will attend a lecture. uh, I know you all are acquainted already, very well known with tenses. So these are the tense pattern, and according to 10 tenses pattern, our voice will be changed. So my motive to show this slide is there are different part of the sentences. Now focus on tense, my friends. This is the entire what we call the tense pattern. Okay, now focus on. Now we will talk about first of all simple present tense. See, now let me show you. Let me tell you about this chart. In this, there are tenses. In this, there are active form, means active sentences, and their construction. What is the important part is given there. And in this box, we will see passive form of the sentences with their construction. Now see simple present. He writes a novel. Simple present. Now here the construction you all know as plus v1 plus o. Okay. Now s is this one. Now writes, it is v1, and novel it is object. So s plus v1 plus o, that is subject, verb, and object. That is the format of any active voice. uh, keep it in your mind. So writes is the main verb over here. He writes a novel. Now it is changed into passive form. Look, a novel is written by him. Now a novel, it is the object. See, object has been occurred here. Now helping verb is used over here. Why there is because uh, writes is the passive verb. So that is, sorry, writes is the v1, and for v1 we have to use is mr. So novel is a singular one, that is why there is, and this is v3. As you can see, is mr v3. This is the format. In every active voice you will see the sentence start with s and ends with o, and in every passive voice you will see the sentence start with o and end with s. Sometimes it is not important, but the sentence starts with o, that is object. That is why it is not mentioned over here. You have to focus on only this part, is mr v3, is mr writing, is mr being plus v3, like this. Now see again, a simple present. Writes, we can use write or writes. Now write, there is he, that is why there is writes. A novel is written by him. Novel has been put first place o. Then after helping verb is are, actually novel is singular, that is why is used. V3 of this one writes, that is written, write, wrote, written. And then after we have to use by, and then after he becomes him, that is this case. I hope you are getting me. Now focus on again to the next tense, present continuous. Now present continuous, that is subject plus is mr plus writing plus object. Now subject and object is already there, that is why I didn't mention here. Now see, he is subject, is helping verb, that is mr, writing, that is main verb, and then after this is object. Now as hv, it is v, and here also my friends, it is object always will be there, ismr will be there, being will be there, v3 will be there, thereafter there will be by, then after there will be subject. Okay. Okay, now see, what is the object? Object is novel, object has to put, object के बाद क्या आ रहा है, is mr आ रहा है, तो is mr novel सिंगल है इसलिए is यूज किया है, और टेंसेस को टेंस है अपना present continuous, that is why is there. After that being has to be used in this sentence. Why in any continuous tense we have to use being, past continuous ho, present continuous ho, we have to use being. And that then after v3, that is write, wrote, written, and writing. This write is here, that is why v3 is written by and him. I hope you are getting me. So he is writing a novel is being written by him. Now let us focus on the next one, that is present perfect. How, has, have or written, that is फोकस ऑन द, देखिए आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि यहाँ पर एस है ऑलरेडी, यहाँ पर ओ है ऑलरेडी, यहाँ पर भी ओ है, यहाँ पर सॉरी, जस्ट अ मिनट, ओके, नाउ इट इज परफेक्ट. So there is o, and there is by, and there is s. Always it is there, keep in mind, but I didn't mention it because in every sentence structure it is occurred. So he has written a novel. He has written a novel. Now here this novel is come, he has come here, that is object. Object is has been put. Novel एक ही है, that is why has. उसके बाद में हमें यूज करना है bin, so bin is used. v3 has to be used, that is why written is used, that is यहाँ पर भी v3 है, यहाँ पर भी v3 है, no problem. Then after by and he becomes him. Okay, so as he becomes him, she becomes her, I becomes me, you becomes you, they becomes them, it becomes it. You know all this. Other simple past, there is wrote. Now it is v2. Now he wrote a novel. A novel was written by him. Now see, it is object, it is object. Now there is wrote, v2, past form of the verb, that is why there is was. There is because there is, it is present, it is past, that is why there is was. Written, that is the third form of the wrote. Then after by, and then after this is subject's case, this is him. In a past continuous, we have to focus on, see, was, were, writing, and you can tally with present continuous. You can compare present continuous with past continuous. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस को टैली करो. पास्ट प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में इज एम आर लगा था, यहाँ पर वाज वर लगा है, बाकी सब एक है, बाकी सब सेम है. हियर आल्सो इज एम आर इज देयर, यहाँ पर वाज वर है, बाकी सब एज इट इज है माय फ्रेंड्स. सी इज, यहाँ पर क्या है, वाज है, यहाँ पर इज, यहाँ पर क्या है, वाज है, बाकी एज इट इज है. ओनली हेल्पिंग वर्ब have to be changed. Let us focus on past perfect. Now again tally present perfect and past perfect, दोनों को tally करो. यहाँ पर have has है, यहाँ पर had है, यहाँ पर भी have has है, यहाँ पर had है, बाकी सब as it is है. He had written a novel. a novel had been written by him. You can see he has written a novel has written by him. Why there is has? Because only singular subject is there, only single one is there. ही एक ही है इसलिए हैज है, नॉवेल एक है इसलिए हैज है. नॉवेल्स रहता तो यहाँ पर हैव बन जाता. फोकस ऑन एंड सिंपल फ्यूचर. लेट अस फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज सिंपल फ्यूचर. सिंपल फ्यूचर पे फोकस करेंगे. नाउ हियर we will see little bit a slight change in the sentence construction. Will plus v1. He will write a novel. He will write a novel. Now here this will, actually you can compare simple present and simple future. Here s plus v1 plus o, here s plus helping verb, that is shall will, and then after v plus v1 plus o. So he will write a novel. Now what is the construction? Will be plus 3. There is o. पहले o को लाओ. ये novel o है, object है, इसको लाओ पहले. a novel बन गया. a novel. अभी helping verb कौन सा है? will है, तो will को लाओ यहाँ पे. will. उसके बाद में क्या लगाना है? be लगाना है. be लगा दिया. v3 क्या है? write का main verb का return है, ये return लगा दिया. अभी by लगाओ और ये जो subject है उसका second case लगाओ, that is him. Okay. और then after future perfect, my friends, you have to keep in mind that two tenses cannot be converted into passive form. And which are they? The first one is future continuous tense and the second one is future perfect continuous tense. मी पुन्हा पुन्हा सांगतोय, फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स आणि फ्युचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स ह्या दोन टेन्सेसला आपण पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये कन्वर्ट करू शकत नाही. कीप इन माइंड. Now future perfect, you can again compare this present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. इन तीनों को कंपेयर करो, तीनों को कंपेयर करो. देखो यहाँ पर क्या है? have, has है, written है, बाकी as it is है. You have to focus on only helping verb my friend. यहाँ पर has है, यहाँ पर had है. Let me clear all this. Okay. किसको कंपेयर करना है? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट और दिस वन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. नाउ यहाँ पर हैज है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, यहाँ पर हैड है हेल्पिंग वर्ब और यहाँ पर है विल हैव. बाकी सब सेम है. ही है, यहाँ पर भी ही है, यहाँ पर भी ही है. रिटर्न है, यहाँ पर रिटर्न है, v3 है, यहाँ पर रिटर्न है v3, यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट है, सेम है. नाउ यहाँ पर भी देखो. नाउ यू हैव टू सी helping verb is there, helping verb is there and this helping verb is there. So यहाँ पर has है, यहाँ पर had है, यहाँ पर will have है. ये अगर छोड़ो तो सबके सब सेम है. novel, novel. Friends, this construction is a little bit mistaken. Let I will create it for you. Just a minute. Okay, so let me first of all write for you here. पहले मैं लिख लेता हूँ. यहाँ पर पहले पहले अपन लिखेंगे. जस्ट अ मिनट, लेट मी क्लियर ऑल दिस. ओके, तो ये जो है ही विल हैव रिटन अ नॉवेल, इसका आंसर ये जो है ये इनकरेक्ट है. मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ. लेट अस फोकस ऑन अ नॉवेल. ये हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट, अ नॉवेल हो गया. उसके बाद में हमें क्या लगाना है? विल. उसके बाद में क्या लगाना है? हैव, विल हैव. इसको कट कर लेंगे, इट इज इनकरेक्ट, इट इज एज इट इज कॉपीड. विल हैव. उसके बाद में बिन. अभी थर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? रिटर्न. सो रिटर्न लिखो. रिटर्न बाय him, full stop. A novel will have been written by him. That is the answer. It is not the answer. That is my mistake. Okay. sorry for that, and he will have written a novel. He is converted in passive voice as a novel will have been written by him. Now see the difference in between all perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. A novel has been written by him. Here past perfect में देखो, a novel had been written by him. Has and had, only this is change, बाकी as it is है. Novel will have been written by him, बाकी सब सेम है my friends. Has, had and will have, ये ध्यान में रखना है, बाकी सब as it is है. Let us focus on the next slide. ओके, अपन एक काम करेंगे, आज यहाँ पर ही रखेंगे और बाकी का जो है वो अपन दूसरे इसमें देखेंगे. सो व्हाट वी हैव और व्हाट वी कॉल स्टडी टुडे. आज हमने क्या जाना? लेट अस समराइज इट फॉर 2 minutes. Today we learnt about voice has two types. The first one is active and the second one is passive. वॉइस म्हणजे प्रयोग होतो मित्रांनो, और इसके दो पार्ट है, एक है एक्टिव और दूसरा है पैसिव. एक्टिव इज कॉल्ड कर्तरी where subject is important. Passive is called karmani, karma, where object is important. Now active voice and passive voice, these two are there. You can see over here, I already told you, when the performer of the action is important, Ramesh is important, performer is important, that is why it is called active voice. And when the action is important, object is important, receiver is important, that is why that time we use passive voice. इन द नेक्स्ट वन, ये एक्टिव वॉइस के बारे में मैंने बताया था कि क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, पैसिव वॉइस के बारे में बताया था क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ दी सेंटेंसेस मैंने बताया था. नाउ दिस, ये चार्ट मैंने अभी बताया था. सो कीप ऑल दिस इन योर माइंड, and if there is any mistake, if there is any query, any problem, please ask me without any hesitation. With this we stop here, we will meet again in the next lecture. Thank you.